So welcome to my virtual field trip, and I chose the Eagle Mountain Lake. As you can see, yes, I'm at the docks right now, and which is 9 minutes away from Bottsville High School. It is used for recreation, and which is for boating, fishing, water sports such as sailing, as you know, you can see here. Water skiing, kayaking, and much. It also has, you know, campgrounds, restaurants. I think there is actually a state park. Filled with that live here are ducks, as you can tell right here. So there's an old beehive right there underneath the rock. Right here is a feather of either like an eagle. So the temperature changes with, you know, seasonal changes, obviously. Like right now, it's really cold, so the top of the water, the surface of the water, it's cold, you know, it's really cold. But if you go more underneath it in the bottom, that's where it'll be warmer, you'll find more fish and living organisms. So the temperature of the water really just depends on the seasons. So they put that sign here, obviously, to warn us about the potential shock hazards that of the electrical currents that may be present in the water when, you know, times when it's raining, there's lightning going on, stuff like that. It got too cold, but y'all can see the lake. So for the Eagle Mountain Lake, this is actually a fresh water lake and reservoir here in the North Texas, which was formed by the damming West Fork of the Trinity River. So the Eagle Mountain Lake is known to be a place where you could fish and the fish could be consumed. There's just certain places in the lake where you're allowed to do that. You can't just do that like right here, I believe, because I'll show you, but there's a sign that says there's no fishing in this area. Right there in the entrance, it gives you all the signs, and one of them says no fishing. And obviously we know that you can't fish here, it's just in certain areas. Also, like, you know, obviously you can't be fishing in like the swimming area where you can have cookouts, just have fun, you know, play with the little kids in the water there. But yeah, so the watershed for Eagle Mountain is actually just the Eagle Mountain Lake itself. Like there's no other watershed that it's a part of. So the watershed is about 869 square miles in size. So how did Eagle Mountain Lake originate? It's actually like how do I say it? Man-made. There you go. So the Texas Board of Water Engineers had actually granted a permit for constructing the dam that would form the Eagle Mountain Lake, you know. This was back on May the 1st in 1928. The construction of the dam that formed this reservoir, began back then in the 1930s on January the 23rd. And it wasn't completed until 1932 and October 24th. So then in 1965, the Tarrant Regional Water District voters approved a bond that would allow the district to, you know, install, improve, and control spillways. The new spillways were completed in July 31st, 1971. No, there are no endangered species at this lake. However, like I've mentioned, there are zebra mussels, or however you pronounce it. I still can't pronounce it, but that have recently taken over, and I haven't personally seen them, but I know it is a thing and it is happening. There are warning signs now. Oh, zebra mussels have taken over. They are in this body of water, which is Eagle Mountain Lake.